Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Thousands of Jamaicans will take to the streets this evening to participate in the annual Grand Market shopping event. Vendors are hoping that sales will pick up from the sluggish commerce they've observed since the start of the Christmas season in the capital. But in order to achieve that goal, they'll need to find common ground with the municipal corporation. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
Vendors in downtown Kingston hopeful that Grand Market 2019 will bring more sales than the year before. They're also saying that the municipal corporation will play a huge role in just how much sales they are able to make this year.
Them do them thing, but at the end of the day, we at the Eagle have to do what we have to do to make our ends meet, though. And when I say them now do nothing, but at the end of the day, because even the market up the road right now to fix up from our like not done fix. We still left on the road, so they have to go and eat the food, though. And the road not safe for nobody at all. We want a good facility for our selling it done.
At the same time, some argue that while the work has started, the municipal corporation still has a long way to go.
I see where they are putting in some work. The trees have cut. They are putting in lights in streets where there wasn't lighting. And vendors is getting space to sell. So I think they are doing some work. But I think a little more work is still there to be done.
Some higglers generate their highest sales for the year on Grand Market night. As a result, they are conscious of the power of the Christmas dollar.
I don't see no preparation or nothing, Because when I'm much younger, we used to see Christmas, but the Christmas don't there here anymore. Because I know you see the young girl, them buy up them curtain, them buy them sheet. And then in the last lap, you see the young girl, them are shopping for them people. We don't see nothing go on. Mr. Prime Minister, no disrespect. If you step up the Christmas, we don't see nothing, no. Nothing go on. The Christmas dead.
Kingston's Mayor Delroy Williams says the aim of the municipality is to maintain order.
I don't believe that vendors can complain that we are restrictive. We have been doing our best to reach out to vendors, both the municipality and the police, within the context of order.
In terms of public safety, head of the Jamaica Constabulary Force Corporate Communications Unit, Stephanie Lindsay, says the police are reorganizing the priorities to ensure that citizens are safe while they shop.
Already, we have scaled back on a number of our non-core policing functions, and if you go across Kingston and St. Catherine and the rest of Jamaica, you will see increased numbers of policing out there. It is important for us to have that show of force, because one of our functions is to ensure that people are reassured, and one of our reassurance is to have effective presence in areas where people are out shopping.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Meanwhile, the Bank of Jamaica said it issued just under $15 billion in currency last week. It brought the total currency issue to almost $146 billion last Friday. Markets closed today with the Jamaican currency strengthening. The gain pushed the cost for the greenback down to $133.50. The Canadian dollar is costing $101.96. The pound sells for $170.99, while the euro cost $148.15. Stocks ended mostly higher today, leading to a 908-point gain for the JC index, while the junior market index rose by 38. The top performers of the day were Express Catering, Pulse, Sterling Investments, 1834 Investments, and Consolidated Bakeries. The worst performer was Mailpack, of which over $140 million worth of stock was sold today. Next were Jetcon, G West, T-Tech, and the Lumber Depot. That's the Business Day on Christmas Eve. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.